Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the chemistry building blocks module. Alright, so once you click on the chemistry building blocks modules, you'll see these few categories. So for very standard graphs like y is equal to k, y is equal to kx, you can just click on it. The first time it will require some time to load because it's initializing. Right, so you can simply type in the values that you want. So for example, I can type time here and this can be concentration, right? But you'll realize that the values, the letters will have disappeared, so you just have to click on show text boxes and it will appear. So what you can do is to shift the elements around, right? If you want to change the length of the line, you can still change it basically to however you want to draw it. So I can shift the concentration up, and since it's grouped, I can actually move everything around and you can cut and paste anywhere you want also. So we have quite a number of those graphs here and you can edit it from there. As for the second category, for our energy level diagrams, you can construct one easily. So just click on the energy level diagram and you have 4 different types of arrows over here. So I can choose upright to put a level here, click again, generate one more, and so on. So I can continue all the way to draw my entire energy level diagram, and I can edit the individual parts here. For example, sodium chloride. But you realize that this Cl here is not of the correct font, so later on we are going to change it. Right, so this is how we can use the energy level diagram. I'm going to clear it for the next part. So for energy cycles wise, you can there are currently only 2 modules. You can click 3 parts and you'll get this. So all you need to do is to edit the things here and delete the arrow, right, accordingly. So for example, this is a forward reaction, so I will delete the backward arrow. Right, so this is how we can do that. So once again, if the values disappear, just click on show text boxes and it will appear. Alright, so this is the second part. For kinetics, it's quite standard. It is just the same type of graph, so I'm just going to move on to our dot and cross diagram. So for dot and cross diagram, once you click on insert element, a box will appear. You just straight away type your atom here. So for example, I can put a carbon and I can choose anywhere I want to put this carbon. Next, I can choose my dot and crosses, so I can have my dative bonds or my lone pairs, alright, or I can just do this. So once I have this, I can either rotate it on my own or just click on this button, rotate by 90 degrees, and you rotate. Then all you need to do is to drag it over here. Then you can add another atom, right? Maybe oxygen in this case, and you can shift it here, and so on. So if you click on this, you generate something more. So if you want to change the angle, you can, but the default is 90-degree angles. So I can, if I insert things like hydrogen, and then that will be it will be a lot faster than drawing it on Microsoft PowerPoint. Right, so these are the things that you can build with the chemistry building blocks itself.